I'm Ben Cotton, the open source community lead at Kusari and a contributor to the GUAC project. GUAC is a project that ingests and analyzes your SBOMs, and so you can build queries and understanding for your software supply chain. You know, one of the first things that happens when a new vulnerability comes out is you're like, where is that in my supply chain? Is it in my supply chain? With GUAC, you have the ability to, when you ingest your SBOMs, we enrich it with vulnerability data, additional dependency data, so you can immediately look and be like, oh, I need to patch it here, here, and here. And so you can really spend your time immediately addressing supply chain issues instead of first trying to find them. So GUAC's focus is really on building up your entire application portfolio, right? Doesn't work on one SBOM at a time or one project at a time the way a lot of tools do. You pull everything in and then you have a full understanding of all the relationships. You can see where dependencies are across multiple applications in time. So GUAC is ideal for use cases where you want to run and maybe build on top of the ability to query and analyze your software supply chain. You know, with the graph interface, you can do some very powerful queries, but GUAC doesn't have like a fancy dashboard that, you know, managers can go look at. So it's something where if you want to do it yourself, it's a great sort of layer for building and enriching the data. Guidewire is a company that builds software for the insurance industry, and they were able to use GUAC to do a better understanding of their analysis, and partly in response to things like Log4Shell. And so now they have a much deeper understanding of where their dependencies are and where vulnerabilities may be in the system. And if you're interested, you can read the case study on the GUAC website. So the best way to get started is to go to guac.sh. That's the project website. There's links to documentation. Our community page has a listing of the project meetings. There's a link to the Slack channel and the OpenSSF Slack, and link to all the repos. So, you know, we're always looking for contributors to help build out the tooling, help build out the documentation, to give it a try and, you know, tell us where it's solving problems for you and where it can be improved.